Hey guys, I'm Sarah, and today on Travel Partner, I'll show you how to experience Copenhagen's best sights, eats, and vibes, all for under 280 euros in 3 days. Let's jump in. Touchdown in Copenhagen. As you step off the plane, you'll immediately notice the city's clean, modern vibe and the efficient flow of travelers through the airport. Copenhagen Airport is one of the busiest in Scandinavia, but it's also incredibly easy to navigate, with clear signs in English and Danish, and friendly staff ready to help if you need directions. Once you've collected your bags, skip the pricey taxis, grab the metro for just 4 euros, and reach the city center in under 20 minutes. The metro station is directly connected to the airport, so you won't have to step outside or worry about getting lost. Trains run every few minutes, and the ride is smooth, clean, and safe, even if you're arriving late at night. It's the perfect introduction to Copenhagen's world-class public transport system. For budget stays, Steelhouse Hostel is my top pick. Modern, central, and dorm beds from 25 euros a night, plus a kitchen to save on meals. The hostel's industrial chic design makes it feel more like a boutique hotel than a typical backpacker spot. There's a gym, a pool, and plenty of communal spaces to relax or meet fellow travelers. Having access to a kitchen is a huge bonus in Copenhagen, where eating out can get expensive fast. You can whip up your own breakfast or dinner and save your kroner for sightseeing. Prefer privacy? Wake Up Copenhagen hotels offer compact, clean rooms with frequent deals. Always compare prices online and check for perks like free breakfast. These hotels are scattered across the city, so you can pick a location that suits your plans, whether you want to be near Tivoli Gardens or the trendy Vesterbro district. The rooms are small but cleverly designed, with everything you need for a comfortable stay. Booking platforms like Hostelworld or Booking.com often have flash sales, so it pays to shop around and book ahead. Traveling with friends? Split a private room in a hostel or budget hotel for as low as 20 euros per person. This way, you get the best of both worlds, privacy and savings. Many hostels offer family or group rooms, so you can stay together and still enjoy the social atmosphere. Plus, sharing a room means you can pool your resources for snacks, late-night chats, or even a group breakfast before heading out to explore. Book early for the best rates, especially in summer, and set price alerts to snag last-minute deals. Copenhagen is a popular destination, and prices can spike during festivals or holidays. By planning ahead, you'll have more options and can lock in a great deal. Many booking apps let you set alerts for price drops, so you can jump on a bargain if it pops up. Flexibility with your dates can also help you save. Don't forget to ask your accommodation about local events or free activities. Many hostels and hotels have notice boards with flyers for concerts, food markets, or pop-up exhibitions. The staff are usually locals or long-term residents, and they're a goldmine for insider tips on what's happening around town. Many hostels offer social events and walking tours, perfect for meeting fellow travelers and swapping tips. Whether it's a communal dinner, a pub crawl, or a guided bike tour, these activities are a fun way to make new friends and get oriented in the city. Even if you're traveling solo, you'll never feel alone in Copenhagen's welcoming hostel scene. With your bags dropped and keys in hand, you're ready to explore Copenhagen without blowing your budget on day one. From the moment you arrive, smart choices on transport and accommodation set the tone for an affordable, unforgettable adventure in Denmark's capital. It's time to eat well and sightsee for less. Copenhagen may have a reputation for being pricey, but with a little know-how, you can enjoy the city's best flavors and sights without breaking the bank. Whether you're a foodie, a culture lover, or just want to soak up the city's atmosphere, there are plenty of affordable options to fill your day with adventure and deliciousness. Start your culinary journey at one of Copenhagen's vibrant street food markets, like Reffen or Broenskadekuchen. Here, you'll find a world of flavors, everything from Danish classics to global bites, all for under 10 euros per meal. Grab a steaming bowl of ramen, a fresh falafel wrap, or a classic Danish smørrebrød, and enjoy your meal at a communal table with locals and fellow travelers. If you're looking to save even more, pop into a local supermarket and pick up some snacks or fresh pastries. Find a sunny spot in one of Copenhagen's many parks and have a picnic, an easy, budget-friendly way to dine like a local and enjoy the city's green spaces. After you've eaten, take a leisurely stroll along Nyhavn's iconic harbor. The colorful houses, lively cafes, and historic boats make it one of the most photographed spots in the city, and it's completely free to enjoy. Snap some photos, watch the boats drift by, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. From Nyhavn, follow the waterfront path to the famous Little Mermaid statue. This beloved Copenhagen landmark is a must-see, and the scenic walk along the water is just as memorable as the statue itself. Want to learn more about the city's history and hidden gems? Join a free walking tour. Just tip what you can. Local guides share quirky stories, fascinating facts, and personal recommendations that you won't find in any guidebook. It's a fun, interactive way to get to know Copenhagen from a local's perspective. Architecture fans, don't miss the striking Black Diamond Library. Its sleek, modern design stands out along the waterfront, and it's a favorite spot for both locals and visitors to admire. Step inside for a quick peek, and you'll be rewarded with stunning views of the harbor from the library's massive windows, a peaceful place to pause and take in the scenery. When you're ready to relax, head to the King's Garden near Rosenborg Castle. This lush park is perfect for a free picnic, people watching, or just stretching out on the grass with a good book. It's a favorite hangout for locals, and a great place to unwind after a busy day of exploring. As the sun sets, wander along Copenhagen's scenic canals. The golden light reflecting off the water creates a magical atmosphere, and you'll see the city at its most enchanting, all without spending a cent. See? You don't need to spend much to have an unforgettable first day in Copenhagen. With a little creativity and an open mind, the city's best experiences are yours to discover. Ready for more adventures? Let's keep exploring and see what else Copenhagen has in store. Getting around Copenhagen is easy and affordable. Grab a 24-hour city pass for unlimited metro, bus, and train rides in central zones, just €11. Or rent a city bike for €10 a day and explore at your own pace. Many hostels offer discounts. Most sites are walkable, so don't be afraid to explore on foot and discover hidden gems. Download an offline map app to navigate without using data. Traveling with friends, split group bike rentals, or city passes for extra savings? Move like a local. Every ride is part of the adventure. Let's dive into Copenhagen's best budget activities. Visit the National Museum, free for under 18s, and just €12 for adults. Students get discounts. Explore Freetown Christiania's colorful alternative vibe, totally free. Just be respectful. Stroll the Botanical Garden or visit the Palm House for a couple of euros. On Tuesdays, the Glyptoteket Art Museum is free. Don't miss the indoor Winter Garden. Walk through Assistens Cemetery, where Hans Christian Andersen rests, and enjoy the peaceful park. Wander Vesterbro's indie shops and street art for a taste of local creativity. Proof that the best things in Copenhagen are often free. Loving these tips? Hit subscribe and drop your Copenhagen questions or stories in the comments. Let's keep exploring. If you're looking to make the most of your last day in Copenhagen, consider a scenic and affordable train ride north to Helsingør. This charming coastal town is home to the legendary Kronborg Castle, famously known as Hamlet's Castle, where you can wander through grand halls and ramparts that inspired Shakespeare. The journey itself is a treat, with views of the Danish countryside and glimpses of the sparkling Øresund Strait along the way. Round-trip tickets cost about €12, making it a budget-friendly adventure that combines history, culture, and seaside charm. Once you arrive, stroll the cobbled streets of Helsingør's old town, pop into cozy cafes, or simply enjoy the fresh sea breeze. Prefer to stay closer to the city. Head to Amager Strand Park, Copenhagen's beloved city beach. With your city pass, public transport is free, so you can easily reach this urban oasis for a relaxing afternoon. Pack a picnic, bring your swimsuit, and join locals for a dip in the clean, cool waters or a game of beach volleyball. It's the perfect spot to unwind, soak up the sun, and enjoy a taste of Danish summer life. Art enthusiasts shouldn't miss the Louisiana Museum of Modern Art, just a short train ride from the city. Set on a stunning seaside cliff, the museum blends world-class exhibitions with breathtaking views and tranquil sculpture gardens. Students can often score discounted entry, so don't forget your student ID. In fact, always check for youth and student discounts on attractions and transport. These savings add up quickly and can stretch your budget further than you'd expect. Another tip, bring a reusable water bottle. Copenhagen's tap water is not only safe but delicious, and you'll find public fountains all over the city. Staying hydrated for free means more money for experiences. For affordable eats, stock up on snacks and picnic supplies at local supermarkets. Danish grocery stores offer everything from fresh pastries to local cheeses and fruit, perfect for on-the-go meals or impromptu picnics. By saving on lunches, you can treat yourself to a memorable dinner at one of Copenhagen's cozy restaurants or try a traditional Danish smørrebrød. Before you head to the airport, carve out time for a stroll through Torvehallen, the city's vibrant food market. Sample local delicacies, pick up edible souvenirs, or just soak in the lively atmosphere. It's the perfect place for a final taste of Copenhagen, whether you're craving fresh pastries, artisanal chocolates, or classic Danish open-faced sandwiches. With a little planning and these insider tips, you'll discover just how much you can experience in Copenhagen without breaking the bank. Enjoy every moment of your adventure. Here's how 3 days in Copenhagen can fit under 280 euros. Accommodation, 75 euros for a hostel dorm, or 110 for a private room. Transport, 11 euros for a city pass, 4 for the airport metro, 12 for a day trip, and 10 for a bike rental. Food, 15-20 euros per day, mix supermarket breakfasts, street food lunches, and the occasional sit-down dinner. Activities. Most sites are free or low cost. Budget 30 euros for museums and walking tours. Total, around 210 euros, leaving room for souvenirs or a splurge meal. Book early, eat local, and walk or bike everywhere. Copenhagen on a budget is totally doable. Thanks for joining me on this Copenhagen adventure. Subscribe for more budget travel guides, and let me know your favorite tip or next dream destination in the comments. Until next time, happy travels.